but...
Okay, don't laugh so you can properly have the right amount of oxygen for your food.
Okay, that one was...
You should drink. Is that water in your cup? Take your drinks.
Okay,
yeah.
Well, what am I supposed to do?
I know. Just don't make sure you've swallowed before your food before you drink your water, okay?
I did.
Throwing up in this. All over your pretty dress.
Shut up.
Okay. Hold your breath and count to 10.
Because that works.
Yeah, I'm telling you it does. Okay, you hold your breath and on 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Now let it out slowly. Exhale, okay? I can't send you anywhere like this.
I had them doing bio class one time. 42 minutes of this. I'm trying to stop it.
Oh my gosh.
That's what we did for the entire class.
What? We just try to stop your hiccups?
Mm-hmm. It's biology, right?
I don't even think we can call them hiccups. Did we talk
Maybe
to
they're
Dr.
not.
Clark about? Yeah.
This video started, right? Oh, yep. It's recording.
You want to have a video of this?
I'll show it to Kyle. He heard one.
Oh, he's missed this experience.
He wants to hear them.
And you don't want him to miss it. Okay.
Maybe I shouldn't show
I was thinking that. Yes.
They might be gone.
That's good. You got a couple goodies in there.
Mm-hmm. I would say so. I wonder if we're even in this video. It could be like straightforward.
Oh, I would think, yeah. But our voices probably are.
And my hiccups.
Huh?
And the hiccups have to be. Alright, I'm turning it off.